Hey everyone, welcome back to MrWonderHow. Today, I'll show you how to use the healing brush tool in Photoshop to remove blemishes, scratches, and unwanted spots quickly and easily. Let's jump in. First, open Photoshop and make sure your image is loaded. Now, head over to the left toolbar and find the healing brush tool. If you don't see it, press J on your keyboard and right-click to select it. Now, let's use it to remove an imperfection. Follow these steps. Hold Alt, Option on Mac, and click on a clean area of the image to set a sample source. Release Alt Option and paint over the area you want to fix. Photoshop will blend the sampled area with the target area for a seamless repair. Super easy, right? And that's it. With the healing brush tool, you can quickly remove imperfections and make your images look flawless. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next one.